Ramadan. Ramadan is a special time of year for Muslims all over the world. During this month, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs. This practice is seen as a way to purify the soul and focus on spiritual matters. In many Muslim countries, the streets come alive during Ramadan. Families gather together for iftar, the meal that breaks the fast at sunset. According to a traditional proverb, he who eats alone chokes alone. Sharing meals with family and friends is an important part of the Ramadan experience. Another important aspect of Ramadan is giving to those in need. Muslims are encouraged to give charity during this month, and many organizations set up special programs to help the less fortunate. As the Prophet Muhammad once said, the best charity is that given in Ramadan. Fasting during Ramadan can be challenging, especially for those who have to work or go to school. However, many Muslims see it as an opportunity to improve their self-discipline and strengthen their faith. As one Ramadan proverb goes, fasting is a shield with which a servant protects himself from the fire. Despite the difficulties that come with fasting, Ramadan is a time of joy and celebration for many Muslims. Ramadan is the month in which was sent down the Quran as a guide to mankind, also clear signs for guidance and judgment. For many, Ramadan is a time to deepen their connection to God and to reflect on their own lives and actions. Ramadan is a time of fasting, giving, and reflection for Muslims around the world. It is a time to come together with family and friends, to give to those in need, and to strengthen one's faith. As the famous saying goes, Ramadan is not a month of cooking, it's a month of blessings. Thank you very much.